How many times have you been in a bind, just a few days away from payday, and you need a little extra cash to tide you over? Maybe it's an unexpected car repair, a sudden medical bill, or you just want to grab groceries without worrying about your bank account dipping into the red. You've probably heard of apps that promise to help, and one name that keeps popping up is Brigit. But does the Brigit app really give you money? Today, we're going to dive deep into exactly what Brigit is, how it works, and whether it's the right solution for your short-term financial needs. We'll break down the features, the fees, and the fine print so you can make an informed decision. First off, let's clear up a common misconception. Brigit isn't a loan app in the traditional sense. It's not a bank or a lender, and it doesn't charge interest. Instead, it offers what's called a cash advance. Think of it more like an advance on your next paycheck. The app connects to your bank account, analyzes your spending habits and income, and then determines if you're eligible for an advance. If you are, you can get a small amount of money, usually up to $250, deposited into your account almost instantly. So, how does it all work? To use Brigit, you first have to link your primary checking account. The app's algorithm then takes a look at your financial health. It's checking for a few key things: consistent income, a positive account balance, and a history of on-time payments. Once it has a good sense of your financial habits, it can pre-approve you for an advance. The process is pretty straightforward, and once approved, you can request an advance with just a few taps. Now, for the important part, the cost. Brigit operates on a subscription model. To access the instant cash advances and a host of other features, you need to sign up for their premium plan, which costs a monthly fee. This is a crucial detail because while there's no interest on the advance itself, you are paying for the service that provides it. The monthly fee covers not only the advances, but also things like automatic advances to prevent overdrafts, credit-building tools, and budgeting insights. One of the standout features of Brigit is its overdraft protection. If you have an overdraft coming up and you're eligible, Brigit can automatically send you a cash advance to prevent that hefty overdraft fee from your bank. This can be a lifesaver, as a single overdraft fee can often cost more than a month's subscription to Brigit. The repayment process is also pretty seamless. On your next payday, Brigit will automatically withdraw the amount of the advance from your bank account. You get a notification beforehand, so there are no surprises. If you need a little more time, you can also extend the due date, usually up to 3 times, without any extra fees. This flexibility is a big plus for many users. So, does Brigit give you money? Yes, it does, in the form of a cash advance. It's a useful tool for managing small, unexpected expenses between paychecks. It's not a long-term solution for financial problems, but for those times when you need a little buffer, it can be a convenient and cheaper alternative to traditional overdrafts or payday loans. Just remember to factor in that monthly subscription fee when you're deciding if it's the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.